OpenAI just released SearchGPT, and since only 10,000 people have access to it, I thought it would be fun if you have a look together how this experience would be like and also how you can try today. So when you open SearchGPT, you have this very clean interface here. You have the search bar like every other search engine, and then you can type in your search. For example, music festivals in Boone, North Carolina in August. And then ChatGPT, it looks very similar like the traditional ChatGPT, gives you the results. And you can see it also gives you the sources. What's new is that we have this picture here. We have the link here and the clickable links, but also on the left side, we can click on this little link feature and we will get the sources. So for each source, you have a headline, you have a little description, and then you can click here directly to get to this page. And also you get on the left side, this list view for the same search overviews. But the most interesting feature is here, this follow-up field, because now you can ask follow-up questions to the search result you already got, and SearchGPT understands the search history, and for the next follow-up question, it considers the entire search history. And we all know from ChatGPT that context is king. The more information the system has, the more natural the conversation will be, and the more the system will think for you. And you will see how this works in a second when you ask a follow-up question. Is the Jones House one family friendly? So, and now it understands, and it still understands that you go to a festival, to a concert, and understands this Jones House in Boone, North Carolina. And lets you know that they are family-friendly events. So what's very important is that this is the current SearchGPT interface. But SearchGPT is not a product that will be a standalone product. But these, what we just saw here, are just features that will soon be implemented into ChatGPT. So when these features go live, they are part of ChatGPT. No need to download another app. No need to switch back and forth. These are just features. This is not a program. It's only a standalone program for this prototype phase. But here's where things get interesting, because we saw already something similar only a few months ago, and that is Google Overview. It's already available to everyone in the US. Unfortunately, they got some hate and they had to pull some features back. I personally loved that and I didn't have any problems at all, but things are as they are, and let me show you. When I type in 7-day meal plan, so it generates some results and it generates me a 7-day meal plan here as part of the AI overview. Let me click on show more, and then you can see here, day 1. It already has the pictures, with the food. It has the small headline and also a short paragraph, exactly what SearchGPT is promising. So this is just day 1, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then I go to day 2, It really created an entire meal plan, and check this out. Here, this is what they pulled back. You already could ask follow-up questions. Unfortunately, they pulled this back. But you can export this meal plan for Gmail or Google Docs. You can save it, and check this out. Here's a shopping list, with everything you need. And you can copy and paste it, or you can export it also as a draft in Gmail and Google Docs. Great. So, but here's more. There's more. It really worked very, very good. But they had to kill some features. So I can also extend this 7-day meal plan for a family of 4. So, and again, it's generating a meal plan for an entire family. Easy overnight oats, delicious baked sandwich and tomato garlic pasta. So perfect. And now it's a little more family friendly. Yeah, and you can type in whatever your situation is for the meal plan, and you not only get a very delicious meal plan, but you have the shopping list already. Yeah, I absolutely love this feature, and you can use it for many more use cases. And I think this is what OpenAI today announced for SearchGPT, but it's already available for you to try out. What you need to do, or how you definitely get more of these search AI overview features, is that when you go to labs.google, and you need to turn on here AI overviews. And when you do this, you can already experience this feature, and it's really incredible, yeah? Because what they are promising is they will build an entire small website only for you. Yeah, in the future, you will have a small website and you can interact with it, ask follow-up questions. And again, these are so powerful when it comes to ChatGPT and AI overview. Follow-up questions and context is king. Yeah, it absolutely works incredible. And it's so much fun to use. Also on mobile, I personally do this on iOS in the Google app. You can toggle between between Google Search and AI features, yeah, and there you have this small thing, and on mobile I love it even more. Okay, so I hope you liked this little video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.